Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to forex trade right here on Pocket Option. So what we're going to do is quite simple. I don't like this easy method to trade. So the first step that we're going to do is go to trading and select right here the Forex MT5 demo account. Because now we can trade Forex because this account is calling Forex. Now what we're going to do right here is select here Solana. And then what I want to do from here is go to currencies. And now you will find right here a lot of currencies that we can trade. So let's say we want to trade right here, euro to US dollar. Then we select it right there. And now we are having here the chart. And we want a chart on, let's say, no, this is fine, the M1. Now what we're going to do right here is decide if you want to buy or sell. Let's say we want to buy, then we can also click right here on conditions for closing a deal, where we can decide if you want to put a take profit or a stop loss on it. And then right now we can simply click here on buy. And now we created ourselves right here a position for euro to US dollar on the chart. So this is exactly what you need to know how to forex trade. If you have questions or something else, please comment that below. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.